Hello, this is Panda Wolf 112, and we are here for the news. I hope everyone is having a great Friday, and have a great weekend as well. And we are going to go through the news, because we now have some new updates. And the Arctic Foxes are returning to JAMA. Yay! So head to the diamond shop to become one of these amazing animals today. Yes. Member Daily Spin. Have you seen the amazing new Daily Spin that is for members only? Every day, members log into Animal Jam. They have a chance to win rare prizes, diamonds, or even more diamonds. That's pretty cool, but yet again, they're doing more stuff for members. What about the ordinary non-members? Why, Animal Jam? Why? This is cool, but what about the non-members? I feel so bad for them. It's so cute! It's a pet Arctic fox! They're so adorable! Arctic foxes as pets, they're so cute! And it is so cute! These adorable new pets can't wait to be adopted so they can get out of JAMA to explore. Oh, get out and explore JAMA. They are so cute! They're so adorable! And we get a snow fort. Invite all of your buddies to a party in your very own snow fort, the cool winter den. I think I saw that before, unless they remade it. Yeah. The Phantom Fortress. Now that the power of Mir's Feather has restored the ruined land, it's time to join the Alphas as they head to the dreaded Phantom Fortress in this all-new adventure. That's pretty cool, but is it for all jammers is my question. Animal Jam? And we are also getting a new land. At least that's what I heard. Heat Wave Party. If you need a break from all the snow, have a fun in the sun at the Heat Wave Party. This is pretty cool, but it is winter, so shouldn't we have more winter parties than a sun heat wave party? It is pretty cool, though. I'll have to check that out. Jammers who have gone on the newest adventure may already know what new animal will soon be coming to JAMA. Well, I haven't done the newest adventure, but I do know what the new animal is. It's a sheep. I'm pretty sure it's a sheep. Even though sheep and pigs and all that stuff is pretty cool, Animal Jam, you are turning this place into a farmhouse. Pigs, sheep, soon enough we're gonna have cows and chickens. Although that would be pretty cool to see a chicken in here. That would probably be so weird. Masterpieces. During the holiday celebrations, all jammers were able to create masterpieces. Even though the holidays are over and masterpieces can now only be created by members, we are so proud to report that non-members created over 5,000 masterpieces during the holidays. How amazing is that? That is pretty cool. And that is a lot of masterpieces in just 1 month. That is really cool. And a lot. In honor of National Geographic celebration of penguins, all penguins and pet penguins are on sale for half off. Ooh, that's cool. Only I think they're only gems, not diamonds. So even though they're half off, it's not that big of a deal for this one. But this one is diamonds, so that'll be pretty cool. If I would have known that, I would have gotten mine now than not too long ago. Traveling dolphins. On January 19th, the dolphins of Jamal will begin their travels, so become one of these graceful marine mammals before they're gone. So the dolphins are traveling. That's pretty weird because most people aren't ocean animals and we don't usually play as ocean animals. So it's the first time in a long time that we've ever heard about these marine animals. I mean, I know there's the penguin and the seals once in a while, but not usually hear about these in particular fish. Retail gift card bonus, Snow Leopard bundle. So, since the Arctic foxes are coming back, now they're changing this into snow leopards, which is cool because I love snow leopards. They're so cool. So, now that we've gone through the news, I think we should go check out those really cute looking animals. Those Arctic fox pets. They look so adorable. Don't freeze. Oh, there we go. Don't freeze. Okay. No, we don't want a pet peacock. We want... Oh my god, they're so cute! Oh my god, they're so scrumptious! Let's decorate this wonderful looking little thing. I don't know what colors to do yet, so let's start off on the other stuff. What type of eyes do they have? They have some interesting eyes. I mean, I like these eyes and they're girl eyes, but yet they have some massive eyelashes, if you know what I mean. That's pretty big eyelashes. And I'm not sure, I think I'm gonna go with that for right now. Now let's check out the hairdo. I think I'm gonna go with that. Now let's check out the ears. Whoa, oh my gosh! I think I'm gonna go with that pattern. Some cute patterns there, but I think I'm gonna go with this. Now time to choose some colors. Whoa, that is pretty cool looking. I think I'm gonna stick with that because not only is it cute, but it's two really pretty colors in my opinion. And is it just me? Or are these some Easter looking like colors? They're spring-like colors. Is it just me or does anyone else notice that? Thank you for watching this video and please like and comment and subscribe. And thank you for watching my video, and I hope you really like it. If you do, please give it a really big, good thumbs up.